The moon rat, or Echinosorex gymnura, is a fascinating creature that thrives in the lush canopies of forested areas. With its unique appearance, this small mammal is often mistaken for a rodent, but it's actually more closely related to the golden moles and tenrecs. Despite its somewhat unappealing name, the moon rat plays a vital role in its ecosystem, helping to control insect populations. While its threat level is low, it's important to note that it can carry diseases like leptospirosis, which can pose risks to humans. However, with proper precautions, encounters with this elusive animal can be safe and rewarding. So, if you ever find yourself in its forest habitat, take a moment to appreciate the moon rat, a true testament to nature's diversity.